What does immigration want to approve your application? In this week's tip of the week video, I'm going to tell you the 3 things you need to give USCIS and DOS, Department of State, what some people call immigration, so that they can approve your immigration application. Hi everyone, my name is Mejer. I'm an immigrant and an immigration attorney. I went through my own immigration journey. I entered the US with a visa which expired. I lived here without legal status, and then I got a green card through amnesty and went on and obtained my citizenship before becoming an attorney. So I know what it's like for you. I have a weekly tip of the week videos. If you find them helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when the next one is posted. Back to the topic I mentioned. What does immigration want from you to approve your application? This is something everyone wants to know. It's not your fault that you're confused about what it might be. If you didn't hire an attorney, you probably went to the USCIS or DOS websites and sent in what you thought they wanted, including the forms and their suggested evidence. They have examples of evidence to send in, right? You might have also talked to a friend who told you what they sent in. And then you got an RFE, request for evidence, or a NOID, a notice of intent to deny, or even worse, a rejection or denial. Now you're scared, stressed, and confused. It feels like the US government is trying to make it hard for you to be approved, doesn't it? Well, guess what? They are. I'm going to tell you the 3 things that you need to provide to help USCIS and DOS understand why they should approve your case. The first thing you need to do is show them that you are a person just like them. How do you do that? Tell them your story. Your application is reviewed by people, not machines. That person needs to know you are a human being. You have a family and a life history and will be an asset to the US, so should therefore be approved. Now, we've had people tell us, I'm going to go to immigration court and I'm going to tell the judge my story and he'll approve me. Now, that is very different situation. In court, you need to make a legal argument. You need to take the facts of your case, apply the law, and explain in a way that shows the law supports your position or claim why you should win. Well, I do think there is a legal argument that must happen when you submit your immigration application. There is also a connection that you must establish with the person reviewing your case. Explain who you are and why you should be allowed to become a US citizen or green card holder or whatever immigration benefit you're asking for. The second thing you need to do is make sure that DOS and USCIS understands clearly what it is you want. You probably think that they should know that because of the forms you've submitted. Didn't you send in the forms they told you to? And on the forms, didn't you indicate what you're applying for? You're probably thinking along those lines, right? Remember, you are continuing your story. It's another way to connect with the officer reviewing your paperwork and help them to make a positive decision on your behalf. As an example, you might explain that you're applying for your green card to live with your spouse and start a family here in the US. The third thing you need to do is fully explain to immigration is why they should give you the benefit you are applying for. What makes you admissible to the US? What makes you a good candidate to become a US citizen if you are looking to do that long term? It's simple, and yet it's complex. To review, you want to tell immigration who you are, what you're applying for, and why they should approve your application. If you want to help with that, contact us. Our contact information is below. If you have other topics you want guidance on, please post them in the comments below. Please share our videos so others can benefit from them too. We appreciate you watching. As always, stay healthy and be well.